4. We got through all of our mechanical issues from yesterday, but now we're in Oklahoma and it is storming. It's pouring rain, there's thunder, lightning. Dad said he thought he saw a tornado in the distance. I think not, but it's nasty out there. So we're stuck in Foyle, Oklahoma, in a place called Annie's Route 66 Diner. We're gonna have some peach cobbler, coffee and hot chocolate, and wait it out and see what happens.
The question we get asked more than anything when it comes to the wrought iron is, what do we do when it rains? And our answer is always the same. We get wet. So for this trip, we bought rain suits, we packed our luggage in garbage bags, and we just kept driving.
Look at that, she got a freebie.
No, you can't do that with video.
No?
No.
Why?
Because you'd have to turn your head like this when you're watching it on the TV.
Oh, is that...
So we're on day 5 of our trip and we just made it into Texas. We're in Shamrock, Texas. And on our way here, so you can see in the, like where the wheel is, there's nothing there. There's nothing between it because it's all open. So that means that sometimes like water comes through, rain comes through, and also bugs come through. And I just got hit with the biggest, nastiest bug on my leg and it splattered all of its bug guts all over me and it was so gross. Padre. What do you think of the trip so far?
Good. We haven't broke down majorly. We're gonna make it. We're gonna tinkle our toes in the water on the west coast in 4 days.
5.
5? Okay. 5 days.
We're on our way to Santa Fe right now, and we decided to take the scenic route, and it's been beautiful. When we stopped to get gas and turned off the car, then it didn't want to turn on again. So we're trying to fix that. Because when I powered up the lights up front, nothing come on in the car. So that tells me that there's a ground problem. I love that car.
Thank you.
Nice car.
So tomorrow we'll clean up that ground on top of the transmission, and I think it's gonna fix the problem.
Be careful. Yeah. We will do that.
Yeah, we.